You know, the more I talk to teams these days, the clearer it gets. AI is no longer a future thing. It's already reshaping the way we work. As AI-driven markets project to hit $60.08 billion in image generation alone by 2030, the shift is only getting bigger. The real challenge now isn't adopting AI, it's adopting it in the right way. And honestly, after seeing how different teams use AI, I've noticed a pattern. The ones that are able to get results from AI follow a few simple practices, nothing complicated, just small habits that make AI actually work for them. So in this video, I'm going to break down 5 best practices that'll help you make the most out of AI too. Everything starts with choosing the right AI tool. Not every tool fits every workflow, and that's where most people get stuck. The trick is simple. Pick tools that actually understand your work context, not just generate outputs. My favorite is ClickUp Brain, the world's most complete work AI, because it doesn't wait for you to explain the whole situation. It already has the context. Your tasks, your docs, your timelines, your goals, all connected through the workspace. That means if I need budget details from a specific project, it can pull the details directly from the workspace without asking me to switch tabs or open 10 different pages. It just feels smarter because it's connected. So before diving into prompts or workflows, start by picking an AI tool that works inside your workflow, not outside it. For me, that's ClickUp. Moving on, here's the second pattern I've seen across every team that succeeds with AI. It's integrated, not isolated. Most teams adopt AI, but very few actually use it where the real work happens, inside their tasks, docs, and ongoing processes. For me, the biggest change came when I stopped treating AI like a separate step and let it support the moments I'm already working. In ClickUp, that looks like AI Notetaker summarizing my meetings as soon as they end, drafting follow-ups inside the doc I'm editing, or pulling next steps straight into my task list. This removes so much friction. No copy-paste, no switching tabs, no losing context. Another huge help is using AI for repetitive steps. Whether I'm planning content or structuring a project, AI builds the base instantly, so I can jump straight to refining. ClickUp's AI agents take this even further. When a task moves stages, these agents can rewrite updates, clean up descriptions, or generate a quick status summary. Over time, this creates a workflow where routine steps take care of themselves and you stay focused on the work that actually needs you. Now, the next one isn't technical at all. It's a mindset, curiosity. AI works best in teams that stay curious, the ones that poke around, try new things, and treat every feature like an invitation to explore. The more people experiment, the more hidden shortcuts they uncover. ClickUp Brain makes this so much easier because it gives every team member a sandbox. They can ask questions, test prompts, rewrite ideas, or explore new angles instantly and privately. When people can learn at their own pace, curiosity becomes effortless. There's no pressure, no judgment, just the freedom to play. They start turning to AI to break creative blocks, explore new directions, or check assumptions, and that's when you see real transformation. Another big factor is giving your AI something solid to build on, a proper home for your knowledge. When everything your team needs to grow lives in one place, learning becomes effortless. And with ClickUp's knowledge base, supported by ClickUp Brain, sitting on top of it, you don't even have to search for answers. You just ask. It explains things in plain language, pulls details from your real work, and gives people instant clarity without slowing anyone else down. That's what continuous learning looks like, micro moments of understanding built right into the workflow. And finally, the part that elevates everything, learning how to ask better questions. I've realized this over time. The moment your team learns to ask sharper questions, the results immediately level up. That's why ClickUp's AI prompt library is such a game changer. It gives you ready-made, proven prompts for everything, from planning a sprint to writing a customer reply. And the best part? ClickUp AI adjusts results to your workspace context. So instead of rewriting prompts, you can simply ask AI for your requirements and it will generate a clear answer that is relevant to your work. Over time, you'll notice that your team gets better at prompting without even trying. So that's what I've learned watching the best teams up close. It's the small, consistent habits that make AI feel natural, useful, and worth coming back to. If you want to experience that for yourself, just begin with using one AI workflow in ClickUp. Let it take over the routine steps while you focus on the work that actually moves things forward. Sign up today at ClickUp.com and see how quickly it adds up.